Massachusetts, the state passed healthcare reform in 2006 in order to decrease the uninsured rate among its citizens. The Federal Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, colloquially known as Obamacare, is largely based on Massachusetts health reform. Due to that colloquialism, the Massachusetts reform has been nicknamed as Romney-Care after the government. Mitt Romney. Public health care coverage. Public programs provide the primary source of coverage for most senior and also low-income children and families who meet certain eligibility requirements. The primary public programs are Medicare, a federal social insurance program for seniors, generally persons aged 65 and over, and certain disabled individuals. Medicaid, funded jointly by the federal government and states, but administered at the state level, which cover certain very low income children and their families. And CHIP, also a federal state partnership that surveys certain children and families who don't qualify for Medicaid but who cannot afford private coverage. Other public programs include military health benefit provided through TRICARE and the Veterans Health Administration and Medicare. In the United States, Medicare is a federal social insurance program that provides health insurance to people over the age of 65. Individuals who become totally and permanently disabled and stage renal diseases ESRD patients and people with ALS. Recent research has found that the health trend of previously uninsured adults, especially those with chronic health problems, improves once they enter the Medicare program. Traditional Medicare requires considerable cost sharing, but 19% of Medicare enrolled have some kind of supplement insurance, either employer sponsored or retiree coverage, Medicaid, or a private Medigap plan that covers some of all of their cost. Sharing with supplement insurance, Medicare insurance that it enrolls have predictable, affordable health care costs, regardless of unforeseen illness or injury. As the population covered by Medicare grows, its costs are projected to rise from slightly over 3% of GDP to over 6%, contributing substantially to the federal budget decided in 2011. Medicare was the primary prey for an estimated 15.3 million inpatient stays, representing 47.2% of total age-rated inpatient hospital costed in the United States. The Affordable Care Act took some steps to reduce Medicare spending, and various other proposals are circulating to reduce it further. Medicare Advantage. Medicare Advantage plan expand the health insurance options for people with Medicare. Medicare Advantage was created under the Balanced Budget Act of 1997 with the intent to better control the rapid growth in Medicare spending as well as to provide Medicare beneficiaries for more choices. But on average, Medicare Advantage plan costs Medicaid, Medicaid, Medicaid was instituted for the very poor in 1965. Since enrolls must pass a means test, Medicaid is a social welfare or social protection program rather than a social insurance program. Despite its establishment, the percentage of U.S. residents who lack any form of health insurance has increased since 1994. It has been reported that the number of physicians accepting Medicaid has 12% more than traditional Medicare. The ACA took steps to align payments to Medicare Advantage plans with the cost of traditional Medicare. There is some evidence that Medicare Advantage plan select patients with low risk of incurring major medical expenses to maximize profits at the expense of traditional Medicare. Medicare Part D. Medicare Part D provides a private insurance option to allow Medicare benefits to purchase stabilized coverage for the costs of prescription drugs. It was annexed as a part of the Medicare Children Health Insurance Program (CHIP). The Children Health Insurance Program (CHIP) is a joint state-federal program to provide health insurance to children in families who earn too much money to qualify for Medicaid yet cannot afford to buy private insurance. The statutory authority of CHIP is under Title XI of the Social Security Act. CHIP programs are run by the individual states according to requirements set by the Federal Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services and decreased in recent years because of lower reimbursement rates. The Affordable Care Act dramatically expanded Medicaid. The program now covers everyone with incomes under 33% of the federal poverty level who does not qualify for Medicare, provided the expansion of coverage has been accepted by the state where the person resides. Meanwhile, Medicaid benefit must be the same as the essential benefit in the newly created state. Exchanges, the federal government will fully fund the expansion of the Medicaid entirely with some of the financial responsibility. System MHS. The MHS consists of the direct care network of military treatment facilities and purchased care network known as TRICARE. Additional veterans may also be eligible for benefits through the Veteran Health Administration. Indian Health Service. The Indian Health Service IHS provides medical assistance to eligible American Indians at HSI facilities and helps pay the cost of some service provided by IHS health care providers. Military health benefits. Health benefits are provided to active duty service members, retired service members, and their dependents by the Department of Defense Military Health. Private health care coverage. Private health insurance may be purchased on a group basis firm to cover its employees or purchased by individual consumers. Most Americans with private health insurance receive it through an employer's sponsored program. According to the United States Census Bureau, some 60% of Americans are covered through an employer's, while about 9% health insurance purchase insurance directly. Private insurance was billed for 12.2 million inpatient hospital stay in 2011, incurring approximately 29% of the total aggregate inpatient hospital costs in the United States. The U.S. has a joint federal and state system for regulating insurance, with the federal government ceding primary responsibility to the states under the McCarran-Ferguson Act. States regulate the content of the health insurance policies and often require coverage of specific type of medical services or health care providers. State mandates generally do not apply to the health plans offered by large employers because of the preemption clause of the Employee Retirement Income Security Act.